Good afternoon and welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at MarketSite is Johan. He's the head of blockchain at Nasdaq, and he's going to give us a sneak peek into the projects we have going on with blockchain and our FinTech businesses. Thank you so much for coming to New York and joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us about the exciting projects that your team has going on with blockchain.
Sure, I can do. So one very interesting project is where we look to tokenize the asset, the issuance and settlement of mutual funds. So trading of the open-ended funds in the Nordics. So we're working together with the major banks in the Nordic to see how we could put that old, antiquated infrastructure onto a distributed and shared environment using the blockchain technology. And we are not only handling the asset issuance of the shares, but we also be able to handle the payments. So we can truly secure how to pay versus delivery of mutual fund shares in the system.
All right, now you've said that collaboration is the key to success with your business. Why is that?
It's very much. I mean, blockchain all speaks for itself that it has the ability to transform a whole market. But to be able to transform the whole market, it's not only about technology. It's so many other aspects that is very important. And especially work together with your customers, with your clients, with your regulators, authorities, central banks, whoever it takes to transform the market. Because it's quite a collaborative work that you need to do. Sit around the table and have a lot of fruitful discussion to see where can we start to transform the market, what is the readiness in the market to be able to transform it. So I think really the collaboration is the key to success.
So what has been your favorite project to work on with Nasdaq's blockchain's business, and why are you so excited about this technology?
I think I'm very excited because it's really about rewriting tomorrow for us to see, I mean, how could we change the markets now? And it's very much, I mean, sitting together, collaborating, and see how can we potentially change markets. So the mutual funds, I think, is very, very interesting. Another area that's interesting is the collateral market, where we see how can we more efficiently move collaterals between the CCPs and help the clearing members and the buy side to more efficiently respond to margin calls, intraday margin calls, etc.
Right. So Nasdaq technology, we typically think of applying blockchain to the capital markets. What other areas can blockchain be applied to?
I think we can see many, many areas now. I mean, we more or less see markets coming out everywhere now, and where our technology can very easily fulfill the demands of those markets. And where blockchain can come into the insurance business, into the gaming industry, the shipping industry, for example, anything where there is a need to build up an order book for have a buy and demand, supply and demand to meet up with one another, and then securely settle them in a shared and distributed environment to reduce the needs for reconciliation, reduce the need for errors that might occur in the solution. And then, of course, looking to see how could we more efficiently and immediately settle assets with one another.
So would you say that blockchain is going to revolutionize the financial industry?
I think it will for sure stay here. And I mean, blockchain is very much about changing the relationship between the issuers and the investors. And how could we kind of bring them together close to one another and speed up the market, secure our market? So for sure, I think blockchain has to stay.
All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us at MarketSite today. And thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.